Essential oils and diffusers, do they really help for stress relief? Stay tuned. Hey everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez, and in today's video, I am going to talk to you about 2 different diffusers and some essential oils that I use for stress relief and relaxation. Now, are these going to work for you? I don't know. Everybody has different preferences as to what smells they like. Now, some of you may choose to use these either for stress relief or just because you like looking at the changing colors on the diffuser, which I'm about to show you, or simply because you've heard about it and it's a trending topic and you want to try it for yourself. So I've had this diffuser that you see here for a really long time now. I'd say for about 4 years. Now, I bought one for another bedroom in our house. So I actually bought this on Amazon, and this is what it looks like when you buy it. It is the ZAQ, Z-A-Q. I know the logo looks a little bit not legible, but here it is, ZAQ. And like I said, I bought this a second time because I thought, well, if it lasted so long the first time, then it's definitely gonna last me on the second run. Well, unfortunately, it didn't last me as long. On the second run, it only lasted me about 3 months. So after I went and I, discarded that second one, I went out and I bought this one. And I bought this one on eBay actually, but this one is a little bit different than that blue one because the lid is a little bit harder to remove. So you're asking yourself, well, how in the world do you get these essential oils in there? And so you're going to have to take off the lid. So for this one, taking off the lid was not quite as easy because it doesn't have any, like an area with friction where you can easily pull it up. So once you're able to get it off, I have to use my own nail. You're gonna see that you have a cover here and then you have the inside cover. So in here is where you're going to be able to fill this area with water, and then you'll add a couple of drops of your favorite essential oils. Then you'll put the lid back on, and then you'll put the top back on, and then you just twist it like so. And this one actually has a USB attachment. So you can, use the cord, what is that plugger in or thing that comes with the iPod and iPhone? Well, you can just plug it in there into the wall, or you can plug it into your computer, I guess, and then have it work from there. So anyway, I went and I bought this one again. So I am going to open it up and put it in the other bedroom that I've been wanting to use it in, but I just wanted to share it with you because like I said, it is the one that has lasted me the longest, so I was willing to give it another shot. So I bought this on Amazon, and I am linking this down below so that you can buy the exact same one that I did, just in case you're looking for a diffuser. Now, if you're someone that's wondering, well, where do I buy my essential oils? Are all essential oils created equally? doTERRA representatives will tell you that not all essential oils are created equally. Young Living reps will tell you that not essential oils are created equally. I have bought some at Sprouts, the grocery store, and I have bought some at the vitamin shop, and I have also bought some through doTERRA, and I did buy one through Young Living. So I feel like I've had enough experience now where I can share this with you and let you know my own personal opinion. So I do have to say that of the doTERRA oils that I bought, my favorite one has definitely been peppermint, and I find myself using that all the time. I feel like the doTERRA oil is definitely a lot stronger than some of the ones you could buy at the grocery store, and the ones at the grocery store do feel like they would go bad a little bit fast. Like a freshly squeezed lemon or a freshly squeezed lime doesn't smell the same as one that's been sitting out for a while. So it kind of has like that after effect. Like that it's lemon scented, but it's not like a fresh lemon scent. And granted, I haven't had these more than a year yet, but I feel like it smells so pure and so good that I go through them fairly quickly. So some of my favorites have been, like I said, peppermint. What I'll do is I will put 2 drops of peppermint in here as well as 2 drops of tea tree. So let me show you how this one works. This one, same thing. It has this blue lid, this blue top, and then it has this cone that you lift up. And then there is where you'll put your water in, and then you'll put in 2 drops of tea tree and 2 drops of peppermint, or whatever it is that you want. And then you just push the button once and you'll see how it starts working. I'm gonna turn the light off so that you can see. So yeah, now if you don't want the color to be on, all you have to do is press it again and the diffuser will stay on, but the light will turn off. So anyway, some other essential oils that I have really liked are the Tangerine. Now, I like to diffuse the Tangerine just by itself, and I like to do that one in the morning. So I don't necessarily use that one at nighttime because it makes me feel like I need to be refreshed and I need to wake up. So I like that one for the morning. Then I also like On Guard for when I feel like I need purification around me or if somebody's sick. I like to diffuse that one. And Slim and Sassy, in my opinion, is kind of similar to On Guard, except that it's a little bit more citrusy. I love Slim and Sassy, again, for like a daytime or a morning when I feel like I really need to perk up, or it's kind of like having a glass of orange juice in the morning and then you just feel sort of refreshed. That's the way I feel. It has grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon. So this one's pretty refreshing also. So I love this one. And again, I'll use that one by itself because it's already a blend. And so I personally really love this one. Again, it's ZAQ, and I will link it in the description below in case you want to check it out on your own. It wasn't that expensive. It was around $23 or so. I think this one was the least expensive one, and this one was maybe like $16 or $20 or something like that. Now, the essential oils were, I would say the doTERRA brand is definitely the most expensive of the ones that I've purchased. Like a bottle of tea tree or peppermint can go up to like, I want to say it's like $33, and the On Guard can be pretty expensive too, but that one is really popular. So if you want to get your hands on On Guard, then I would suggest maybe ordering it with a doTERRA rep, or I will also leave the link down below because that one tends to run out pretty quickly. The lady that I ordered from only had one left anyway, so I was pretty lucky. But anyway, some of my favorites are definitely Tangerine, Peppermint, Tea Tree, On Guard, and Slim and Sassy. So that's just my take. Do I think that they work for relaxation? Well, I love the way they smell, and if smell is a big deal to you, then I think you'll enjoy these scents and you will enjoy these diffusers. I leave one in my living room and I also leave one in the bedroom, and so it's really nice when you leave it on in the bedroom and then you walk back into your bedroom and you're like, wow, it smells nice and fresh and clean like peppermint. Or it's nice when you walk into your living room and you're like, wow, this smells like lavender and vanilla. You can play around with the scents and you'll figure out the right combination for you. But these are just some of my favorites. And if you want to try them, make sure that you hit the link down below. If you're somebody that gets stressed out easily, then I would say maybe it's worth it to give this a shot. It's a simple little tool, and with the light, I think it just adds a cool little calming effect. So if you like this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. And if you want me to talk more about the different doTERRA essential oils that are available, then make sure you let me know in the comments below. I also want to know what tools you are using to help with stress relief as an entrepreneur or as a busy working mom. Now, if you're interested in knowing how I store my essential oils so that they look neatly displayed in the bathroom, then make sure that you hit subscribe and the like button down below so you can be notified of when I release more videos. Because guess what? That is my next video, is to show you some of my favorite organizational tools for things like essential oils or just other things that you have laying around in your bathroom. Now, some of you might be wondering, well, what in the world does this have to do with the Trademark Lawyer channel? And let me tell you that when things are organized and things are in their place and things are as they should be so that you can always find them when you need them, your life is going to be a little bit, well, smoother. And your life will be a little bit less stressful and a little less hectic. With everything going on as an entrepreneur, the last thing you need is added stress with your own personal care or self-care routine. So make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button below because you are going to like this storage technique, and I want your opinion even though I already know you're going to like it.